Do you feel bloated? Today, we have 4 tips that will help you with your bloating. The first one is to make dietary changes. Avoid foods that produce a lot of gas, like beans or carbonated beverages. Take in moderation if you cannot avoid them altogether. The second one is to add probiotics. Consider adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kombucha to your diet to promote healthy gut bacteria and aid digestion. These good bacteria will help with your digestion. The third one is mindful eating. You should practice slow eating for the optimal functioning of your digestive system. This will allow your food to get digested right from the beginning, which aids further in the process. The fourth one is staying active. Exercise helps stimulate the movement of your digestive tract, allowing the food to move forward. This will indirectly help to reduce the bloating. Remember, it's not just about what you eat but also how you live. Follow ehealthyinfo for more info like this.